that, you know, we're going to play small. So we'll start out with this. These are like not much. This is a 100 shotter right here. 2 of these. That's number 1, by the way. Number 2 would be this, and this is number 2. That'll come after these that come off. Number 3. These are all 3 for the 3rd shot. It's for number 3. 4 is this one for number 4. Number 5. And this one here, wait a minute. Number 5. Wait a minute. Number 6. This is number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 8. And then this is number 9. 1, 2, 3 for the grand finale. There you go. That'll be it. This, that at the end. And I think that's going to be a kick-ass motherfucker.
What's the Alan? Wow.
High wind. High wind. You can hear people shooting their shit off now because they know it. Sweet. This way. It's a high wind.
Yeah, but no, the winds are blowing that way.
Yeah, but still, how'd it go that way? Coming this way.
It just
These
seems
sets
like the
across.
launch. Them other ones, man, the fucking launch went off that way.
I don't think anybody else is concerned about one guy. Oh. Mm-hmm. Now you might have to move that one over more. That one's too close to that cabinet. You can do a lot more than that. The other one behind it as well.
Move it over?
Yeah.
Go get more, Pete. Don't just stand there, Jesus.
Well, I don't know what he's trying to set
Just
up.
grab him and hand it to him. He'll figure it out.
What are you video recording this for evidence?
Blackmail. But they won't know who it is because there's 2 of you and you look identical.
Funny.
You got a bigger one than that, Paulie.
Oh, I know I do. You don't need to worry about them things. Those other 2 right now. This is all you need to show. Hang on.
Get in the picture. I'll take that in a minute. You're wasting my video.
Don't worry about you.
No, you're going to take my
I will. Just get. I'll do that after I shut this
That's
off. Come
fine.
on, dude.
That's fine. Well, the whole purpose was for my
Say
picture.
something funny.
I know, but we're gonna film too.
Say something funny.
Doing 2 things.
Look
This
at the
is
camera, Pete.
Killer.
Look at the camera,
Won't this be
Pete.
fun? Huh? Yeah, let's light it up.
Pete, gotta look at the camera.
I already did.
Light it up. Light it up.
You got a lighter?
Yeah.
say goodbye. We'll see. We're gonna see it from there. I don't know if you.
I think you'll be fine here. I was kidding. You guys will be fine.
Want to go inside? Still see it. All right. Why don't you wait? Cause
It's still there.
sit down first. Then we'll